Today we move from the UK to Dubai. I've had like, I don't know, an hour's sleep. I'm not exaggerating either. It might not have been that much. Absolutely knackered. We were still running around at stupid o'clock last night packing, even though we are literally moving abroad permanently to Dubai today. And like early hours of today, and it's 8 a.m. right now, and we're going soon, very soon, to the airport. Early hours of today, we're still packing. Fashionably late as always, guys, thanks.
8 to 8:15.
What?
8 to 8:15, you said.
8 to 8:15. So you came at 8:45.
Be amazing. Oh, fantastic.
See you guys. See you guys, thank you. Look at this, I've never had to do this before. £2 trolleys, by the way, Birmingham Airport, plus this lot, plus that. Oh mate, thank you. Bye bye. Tears all round. Almost. Oh, that looks silly on your head like that, Cove. Right, see you guys. Miss you. Thanks for everything. Love you. Little Cove's first flight. We're in the Emirates Lounge in Birmingham Airport. Shepherd's pie, chicken with something, a little bit of curry or something, roast potatoes, some kind of bread. Looking alright, let's see. It's nice. Are you chomping on me again? Can you see yourself? Hey, little man. Cove's first flight. What do you say, Cove? Milky. Milky. I'm either going to sleep on this flight or get hammered. Check this out. A little shot of Bailey's and ice. And a Canadian imported whiskey and Coke. Oh, and I smashed a couple of puddings. So that was interesting experience. Lugging half of the universe, new baby stuff. But we were last people on the flight, I think. Nightmare. But we're here and he's here. And we've got this cool little thing, and if she does my head in, watch this. Say something, Ol.
What do you want me to say?
Anything you want.
Bye.
Bye. What do you want to say, Hol?
Hi.
I knew you were going to say that. I set you up for that. Hi.
He's a good boy. Good boy.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I can have it back.
Cove's in the air for the first time. He's in the air for the first time. You're flying for the first time, boy. Tired. Woodford Reserve and Coke, first one of the flight. know you're on a plane? Do you know you're on a plane? Do you know you're on a plane? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. So we're here in Dubai for good. This is our new home. Gotta get a taxi to where we're staying for the next 3 weeks while we find a rented apartment. So it's like 1 a.m. here or something like that, and the temperature is, I think, about 24 degrees at 1 a.m. So you can only imagine what it's gonna be like tomorrow. I am hot actually, and it's been a long day, even though the flight was good. It's been a long one. And he's been a little angel, and a bunch of people told us no trouble. Hello boy, you don't know what's going on, do you? You're moving to Dubai before you even know what Dubai is. Ooh. He's loving the lights. Hey. Ooh. Hello boy. Hello little cove, this is nice. So that was a struggle to get in. It doesn't look that much, but that was a struggle. Nice little lobby area. Smells nice too. So this is our home for the next 3 weeks while we settle in. It's quite nice, it's alright. And then we've got to find somewhere to live. It's nice. I like this. Where's that? The shower? Where's the shower? There's no shower hole. Where? Oh, bedroom, which is kind of nice. And this is a shower, okay. It's nice. Big, nice shower. Yeah, it's all right. I like this. I'm a fan. So this is the nighttime view. I think they're building there. So that's a building site, but Dubai Hills Mall, I think, is over there maybe. And Dubai Hills Park is that way. But we'll see. We'll see. It's a nice little apartment, it's all right. So it's been a long day traveling, but we've made it. Little coves, drinking away, getting tired. It's late here. It's like 3-4 in the morning here. So that's probably like midnight back home, and we've not had much sleep. So I'd roll this vlog into multiple days, but I'm just gonna post this. And if you're interested in seeing another vlog, let me know in the comments, and I'll vlog some more of our trip. It's not a trip, is it? Of our relocation to Dubai. We're here. This is it. Living the dream. Or will it become a nightmare? Who knows? But yeah, we're here. The UK, the plan is the UK is, we're never going back. Obviously, we'll go back for a couple of weeks a year, but that's it. We're in Dubai now, so we've got to buy a car, we've got to rent an apartment or buy an apartment or whatever. We've got to buy all furniture for it, set up utility bills and all that other stuff. So I'm going to do a bunch of vlogs. If you want me to do them, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just do a bunch of videos telling you how to do stuff as I figure it all out. I think that was super easy. Hello, fish. Hello, fish. Hello, little fish. Hello, little fish. Look at her. Hello, little fish.
Hi, buddy.
You've come all the way from UK. You're a UK cat.
Hello, sweetheart.
Hello, fish.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hello.